We're about to walk around the neighborhood really quick. What time is it? It's like 1 something. She's not gonna run you over. He's scared that she's gonna run him over. We haven't walked in a while. I've been lazy, honestly, tired. So we haven't done our nightly walk or our daily walk.
Mama, do you like sitting home?
Come on, man.
You can do it. You're doing it. Hey, baby, you want to say hi?
Hey, it's so bright out here. I didn't bring my sunglasses.
I know it is bright. Babe, you see how there's butterflies always around me? You know what that means?
What?
My grandma. Everywhere.
How did you figure that out?
She used to love butterflies. That's why I like butterflies. She loves butterflies. So whenever I see butterflies, it's her around me.
Well, I like ants, so what that mean?
Boy, you don't have anybody that.
Why are you riding so slow? Come on. Catch up with everybody else. Why are you behind us?
Yeah, I believe in that type of stuff. They ain't done with this house yet. They ain't even working on it.
That one?
Yeah, they've been working on that one forever.
Why does it look like ours a little bit?
I don't. I believe in that type of stuff, that people like spirits and like, you know, that type of thing. My grandma used to love butterflies, so every time there's like butterflies always around, so I know. Look, and it's following us.
That butterfly is not following.
It is. That's my grandma. You can't tell me nothing else.
So why did it just take off?
I'm just saying, they just come around. Cause sometimes I'd be wondering, like, cause I used to, like, right after she passed, I think I saw her twice, 2 or 3 times, and I haven't like seen or felt her since then. But then all like the last couple of weeks, I just been seeing butterflies everywhere. They're just always around me.
We're going straight.
And I don't like bugs.
Straight down.
I don't care what it is. I don't like them around
Aaliyah?
me. But when I
That
see
way.
them, Aaliyah.
No. Aaliyah. There you go. Where are you going?
She ain't listening. But when I see the butterflies, you know.
Come on, Mason.
Anyways. Why you just take off like, who kid? This is your kid.
Yeah. Okay.
Mm.
They working on that?
Okay, so we're back in the house now from our walk, and I'm about to make some chili. So let me show you. So I have some ground turkey. You want what? You want some fruit? Okay, hold on. So I have some ground turkey in here with some I diced up some red onions, like a can of diced chili and green peppers, and some garlic. I have minced garlic, and then I added some cumino, some red pepper.
Both of y'all stop.
And I'm gonna add this once it's done. I'll get them for you. You can't reach, okay? And then I'm gonna add probably all of these little cans of the red gold tomato sauce. Is my favorite. Mason. Then I'm gonna add a can of chili beans, black beans, and then diced tomatoes. Chili ready to make. You ready for some good food?
I'm ready. Even though I won't be able to eat till later tonight because I'm about to go to work.
Yeah, but it'll be done by then. Okay, you want? Let me get her this fruit, y'all. You want some fruit?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, now you can see me. So I'm vlogging on my camera, which I typically don't do. I don't use this camera very often, but I'm going to Walmart because I'm getting ready to cook today. I'm gonna make, you know, a good old southern meal. I'm gonna make some greens. First of all, okay, yesterday I went to plug my phone in the charger. I have an iPhone 7 Plus. I need to get some gas too, but I'm not getting none right now. I went to plug my phone in the charger, right? And why is so many people out? And I don't like how my camera doesn't focus, like it goes out of focus. I went to plug my phone in the charger, and it cut off, like in midway. The phone cut off. I was watching YouTube actually, and it cut off. So I was like, oh, it died. right as I was plugging it in. But I had it plugged in for like 5 minutes, so I was like, what the heck? And it never, like, it kept showing the Apple logo and then going black, showing the Apple logo going black for like a good 15 minutes, you guys. So I was like, oh my goodness, because last time that happened, I had to, well, actually last time my phone cut off like that, it never cut back on. So I had to wait a week, and then I went and I got a new phone to me. So I went a week without a phone, which is fine. Like, my husband has a phone, I used his phone or whatever. So when this happened last night, I was like, freak, same thing is about to happen again. And I'm like, okay, they gave me a refurbished phone, I'm pretty sure, because that phone was never, this phone still was like, it'll go black sometimes, like very rarely, but it would do it. So I'm like, okay, first of all, they gave me a refurbished phone. I left my wedding ring at the house. I hate when I do that. Because it wasn't in my spot. I had put it, I have like a little ring thing, and it wasn't there when I just went and washed my face and stuff. It was probably on the counter, but anyways. So it went black, and then it kept showing the Apple logo. So I tried to reset it, and nothing happened. And so I tried to reset it again, and the screen came up that said connect to iTunes. Now, I had just got rid of my laptop when we moved because it broke, but it already had iTunes on it. And so I had to get my sister's laptop that she had let me use months ago, but I never downloaded iTunes on it. So I had to download iTunes and, you know, log in and all of that crap, install it, and then I plugged my phone in and nothing happened. So I was like, what the crap? And it was still on the screen that said, you know, connect to iTunes. So I did the Apple support thing, and the guy told me that I needed a lightning charger, like the charger that came with the iPhone. And I was just like, why? Because first of all, at least for me, I never last with that same charger that comes with my phone. Like, I always end up having to purchase another one because I'm so rough on chargers. And partly I think it's my fault, because I'd be like, my phone will be on the charger, and I'll tell my kids, bring me my phone, or go get mommy's phone, and then they'll snatch it out, and, you know, etc. So anyway, so I did not have a charger, a lightning cable to hook up to iTunes. So I just was like, okay, whatever, I'll have to just get my sister's tomorrow and whatever. So I went to go take a shower. I just left my phone alone, you know. I went to go take a shower, and then my husband called me. He was like, your phone came on. And I was like, I thought he was joking, because he's that type of person. Like, I thought he was joking. So when I went to press the home button, nothing happened. So I was like, really, nigga, like, you joking? And he was like, nah, it came on. So I pressed the side button, you know, the lock button, and it came on. But obviously I was like, what the hell, because the home button does not work now. So I was like, so what am I gonna do? The home button's not working. And so I googled it, and then I got the accessibility. Okay, this is what I have so far. So I have a little mum plant, some hay that I'm probably gonna do something like this. I gotta find the pumpkins. Then I got these little things. Yes. Goodbye, George Anthony. forgot to show y'all, but I was trying to do like a DIY my desk, but it's a fail right now because it did not, well, I just started, but it did not turn out the way that I was hoping. So, and I ran out of paint. You can see I have paint there. I ran out of gold paint, and I need some white spray paint. So let me just show you what I've done. And I took it down after I tried spray painting it. I don't know why I didn't take it down first and then start spray painting it. I just didn't think about it, but let me show you. So I have the legs that are going to be gold. It's like a metallic gold, but obviously right now they just look effed up. And then I need to get some white spray paint so I can spray paint the, you know, this part white or whatever. And then I'm gonna try to get a piece of glass top cut out for the top. But yeah, it's a fail, you guys. I've never done anything like this, but yeah, it's gonna come together as soon as I get like the stuff that I really need. I just used what I had here, which is this stuff. It's but it's paint and primer, so that's why I think I don't know, this just is not working. This worked pretty well though, but I need to get a like non-drip can of gold, because when I spray painted it, it was kind of like dripping. So yeah, we're gonna get it together though. But ouch, almost fell. I did manage to do my front door, so this is what it's looking like. I think it's super cute. And then over here I'm gonna have like a welcome sign, or maybe just like right there I'll put, you know, like I'm gonna make a DIY welcome sign. But yeah, all this is from Walmart, and I am gonna get a little pot to put this in so that the words aren't hidden. George. Say hello, beautiful people. Say hello. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Mind my business. That's what I'm doing. I would like to.
Y'all, he's watching football, of course. Look at the attitude. Football Saturday. You need to go get me some spray paint right quick before your game starts, so I can get it done.
Have you been filming that? Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Why?
Say hello.
I don't like to be filmed.
Yes, you do. The window's open, so it's kind of like blurry.
Oh, you can see me, my black ass.
Go get me some spray paint.
Okay.
Before your game starts. The game started too.
We can get it afterwards.
It's not gonna be dry. Then we're gonna have to leave both cars out in the outside. I can't leave because I'm cooking.
You can use it tonight.
You know, I just showed you guys I'm trying to make my do my DIY desk. I can do what?
Spray paint in there with it, right? And it's gonna be dyed from the fumes.
I know, that's what I'm trying not to do. I need some more spray paint, so.
Okay, Vanderbilt, I see you. Okay.
I don't feel like doing anything. I'm starting to cook. I'm making some greens, some ribs.
Babe, I hate this pillow. It's so damn itchy.
No, it's not.
Itchy.
Now go pick it up. So you made it fluffy. Don't throw it. Don't throw it. You be doing the most, and then when you knock something over or when you break something, you're gonna be looking so dumb.
You mad?
Put it right here.
You mad?
Just put it there. You fluffed it up for me.
You mad?
Wait, do this one like that.
Throw it on the floor?
Well, I don't know. Just fluff it. See, he fluffed them up for me. Don't you?
Y'all be sure to watch the game here in about an hour.
See, you got time to look at my spray paint.
Look at home.
You got time. He ain't trying to do nothing.
I'll be extra black.
So, I'm gonna put them in really quick. And then I tied up my hair because I'm gonna straighten it this evening, but I washed it already, so I really just am waiting on it to Hey, Mason! I really just needed to air dry, so that's why my hair looks like this. Hold on! So now I have my rubber bands in. But yeah, yesterday, you guys probably, I need to get my daughter some tissue. She's like, I need some tissue. Yesterday, you guys probably saw, I'm pretty sure, because I filmed while I was trying to set up my porch. So I started on my porch like with the fall decor, and I still have to finish it. Mason, go play with your toys, okay? Y'all, I am just like up to here. I've already talked to you guys about this subject of me feeling just down and all of that stuff. I really feel like I'm low-key. Most days I'm fine, but a lot of days also I'm just in this funk. Yeah, I need to comb out my hair because I haven't even combed it out yet. All I've done is literally take a shower and wash it. So it's frizzy. I have not combed it out or anything. The weather seriously got so much cooler, like with the snap of a finger. I feel like we didn't have any warnings. It was like hot one day and the next day it was super cold. So I'm like, dang, I was ready, but I wasn't that ready. Also, I am busy this week trying to get everything together for Aaliyah's birthday party on Saturday. So I still have to go and get, like, you know, the food and like balloons and stuff like that for her birthday. And then I need to get you know, like the cake and the cookies and whatnot. So that's everything that I have planned for the week. We're excited. My mom's coming up here on Friday. She's staying the night to help me. And then my brother, he'll be here on her birthday. And everybody, my sisters. So we're pretty excited. Came outside. What's the matter?
And Samaya left this outside and it got all wet. That's why I left it outside.
Yeah, that's wet and the chairs are kind of wet.
And that pink chair's wet.
I never did show you guys what that table looked like that I was trying to DIY. It came out so horrible. So I'm just going to use it this weekend. It's an extra table. And so yeah, this is what it came out like, y'all. So the legs are gold and the table is white, but it's just not the business. So yeah, we ain't gonna use that. So now I don't have a beauty desk, but it's okay because that's just an excuse to pick up a new one. So yep, and then I'll show you guys my porch that I done. Super cute.